Dispersal of seeds by air. This is dandelion. If you hold a dandelion to your lips and blow the seed, what happens? You can see the seeds, they spread through the air. This spreading or scattering is called dispersal. Dispersal distributes the seeds which help plant reproduce. Wind can carry away from their plants. Seeds need to be dispersed far away from the mother plant so they may find favorable and less competitive conditions in which they can germinate and grow better. You can see the seeds are seeds are hairy, weightless structures that are suited to dispersal by wind. So the seeds of dandelion, they disperse and grow at different places. You can see they dispersed at different places and grew. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.